Are you deciding between James Hardie siding and stucco for your home? Both options offer unique benefits, but they're suited for different needs. In this video, we're going to compare their durability, design options, and costs to help you choose the siding that's right for your home. Hey, I'm Chris with Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. For over 30 years, we've been helping homeowners in San Antonio protect and transform their homes with siding solutions that are built to last. Choosing siding can feel overwhelming sometimes. There's a lot to consider, from aesthetics to long-term maintenance. And that's why we're here with this video to help by breaking down the pros and cons of James Hardie fiber cement siding and stucco. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which siding works best for your home. First, let's talk durability. James Hardie fiber cement siding is incredibly tough. It's resistant to fire, pests, and harsh weather, making it a reliable choice for many climates. It's designed to hold up over time, even in areas with significant weather variations. Stucco, on the other hand, is durable as well, especially in dry climates. However, it tends to be more prone to cracking when exposed to moisture or fluctuating temperatures. If your area experiences heavy rain or seasonal shifts, stucco may require more upkeep to address cracks or water damage. Maintenance is another key difference between the two. James Hardie siding requires minimal upkeep thanks to its durability and long-lasting finish. Stucco, on the other hand, may need regular patching or recoating to maintain its appearance over time. If you're looking for low maintenance and long-term reliability, James Hardie might be the better option. Now let's discuss aesthetics. Stucco is known for its smooth, timeless finish, making it a go-to choice for homeowners drawn to Mediterranean, Spanish, or Southwestern architectural styles. Its texture and warm appearance are hard to beat for certain home designs. James Hardie, however, offers unmatched versatility. Whether you're looking for a modern, wood grain look, classic lap siding, or even a finish that mimics stucco, James Hardie can adapt to a wide range of styles. Its baked-on color technology ensures vibrant colors that resist fading, peeling, or chipping over time. While stucco has a more limited range of textures and styles, James Hardie gives you more flexibility to customize your home's exterior and keep it looking fresh for years to come. Finally, let's talk about cost. Stucco often has a lower upfront installation cost compared to James Hardie. If you're working within a tighter budget and don't mind occasional maintenance, stucco can be an appealing option. James Hardie siding, however, is a long-term investment. While the initial cost may be higher, it tends to offer better value over time. Its durability means fewer repairs, and its energy-efficient properties can help reduce utility bills. Plus, James Hardie siding is often seen as an upgrade that increases your home's resale value. Ultimately, it's about balancing your upfront budget with your long-term priorities. If you're focused on reducing maintenance and maximizing value over the years, James Hardie might be the right choice for you. Still unsure which siding is right for your home? At Southwest Exteriors, we specialize in helping homeowners choose the siding solution that works best for their style, needs, and budget. If you're in the San Antonio area, contact us today for a free consultation and let's explore the options together. If you're outside our service area or just researching for now, leave a comment below with your questions. We're always here to help. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips on making your home beautiful and efficient. We hope to see you again here on the Home Solutions channel, where we want to give you the look you love coming home to.